I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds have put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to grow. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
What's up, people? Yeah, it's your guy, the BETONG. Always happy to be live with you guys. I'm live today from Sweden, Gothenburg, and it's quite difficult to say this, but I want to say I told you so. I was right to say Bitcoin is gonna get to where it is right now, and I want you guys that if say you're not careful, this might plunge other altcoins to the downside. And you guys can bear with me today that we saw other altcoins, like plunge to the downside. Maybe not that much, but to an extent, I think we can say we saw, altcoins plunge downward with Bitcoin. Right now, looking at the Predimoku or Ichimoku cloud, it shows that Bitcoin hit exactly this level that I mentioned earlier yesterday in my show yesterday. That's about $28,395. And this is the area where we want to see Bitcoin hold. Of course, we see this 200-day moving average, this red line moving average going to the upside. I think to an extent, Bitcoin might consolidate in this area until we hit this 200-day moving average. But as it stands, we see this Ichimoku cloud compressing, squeezing, and when the cloud crisscross each other, then we're gonna see Bitcoin really go down to the downside, and that's something you want to pay attention to. You don't want to allow Bitcoin to do that before you can say, okay, this is the time for you to take out profit from your altcoin. Guys, you are welcome here. I'm your guy, the BETONG. I'm always happy to bring you guys amazing stuff going on in the crypto market, and Bitcoin has always been my point of focus. Not always been my point of focus, of course. It is not that much, it's not that long that I recently realized that Bitcoin is the alpha, and if say I look at Bitcoin solely, I'm gonna make lots of profit in other altcoins, because Bitcoin gives us the direction, the urge, as to where the market is heading towards, regardless of what altcoin you are holding, how much you love that altcoin. If Bitcoin is not going to the upside, then your altcoin, no matter how pump, is gonna pump like to the upside, it's gonna come back to the downside, because Bitcoin, the alpha, is not moving. And when Bitcoin moves, you're gonna be there, to watch your altcoins move the same way. And that's why those of you who invest in other altcoins, I want you guys to pay attention to this. You make money in this industry or in this market when you look at the big players, what they do in this industry. These big players, they look at Bitcoin. When Bitcoin pumped, they go and buy other altcoins, and they focus first on the top 100 coins. That's why you see when Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is pumping, BNB is pumping, Cardano is pumping. These top 100 coins are pumping, and after this coin have pumped, we see other coins, other altcoins gonna follow after that. This is how you need to look at the market. Don't just go, because you are in love with the project, because you love one coin so much, you're just gonna buy and hold. No, I want you guys to understand that when you are buying your coin, you're buying the coin because you want to make money. And when you see that market conditions are not favorable for you at that point in time, you want to get out from the market and cash out your profit, get into Bitcoin. That's what I want us to be doing, And if we look at, the bigger picture with Bitcoin, Bitcoin looks bullish. I'm going to show you guys some stuff here. But before I go, I want to shout out to all of you who are watching, who have been part of my community. You guys are awesome. And today I'm going to share with you guys amazing stuff, that I think you guys are going to, love as always. So you want to, like, if you are watching, you haven't yet like, so that let's get this content to reach out to more people. And also, do subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my platform. Yeah, I create content that will make you money every now and then, investing in cryptocurrency. I don't know if you guys love my new studio, my new setup. I love it. If you love it, tell me below the comment below that I love it. But guys, let's go right away so I can show you guys long term. I want to focus on the long term, because when I look at the long term, it gives me a bright, like a huge insight of what we might expect with Bitcoin. And if you look at this is the alpha trend indicator. We can see here that even though the alpha trend indicator is showing a buy signal at this point in time, but it has broken this resistance here. This alpha trend, it acts as support and resistance at the same time. I want to do a separate video about this alpha trend indicator. But what I'm seeing right now is the fact that Bitcoin is heading towards the downside, even though we haven't yet seen a print of a sell signal yet. But if we look at the longer term, like this indicator here, this is this one. I'm gonna come there. This is my indicator. I should say my indicator. Yeah, I came up with this, and with this indicator, it gives you a bigger picture as to where we are right now. You can see right now the 21-day moving average, which is this white trend, white moving average here, is going to crisscross this 50-day moving average. And if it crisscross, then we want to say we are bullish long term. But as of now, I cannot say we are bullish long term, because the white haven't yet crossed this. It is like purple, red, or so I'm not good at colors, but that's how it is as it stands now. When I look at this, this indicator, alpha trend, there's one indicator that I want to pull to you guys. I think I brought it here. Let me try to see if I can actually bring this here. This is the sniper strategy. Let me see if I got it here, so I can show you guys. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is on the weekly time frame. Now, let's I'll zoom back with Bitcoin. You can see here, this is the 21-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and also the 20-day moving average. And whenever you see this, like back then, that was in 2020, during the bull market, we saw this indicator, this yellow moving average. It crossed all of these other moving average, the red and the sky blue. You can see here that during that bull market, it has been moving in that direction. And after that, we see it cross back doing in this area. And ever since that moment, we have been seeing Bitcoin, in a bear market, in a bear market. And now we saw that this candle have crossed again to the upside, and now we are waiting for a signal. Like you can see that this red candle here is sitting exactly on top of that yellow candle, and we want to see that hold long term. This is on the weekly time frame. We want to see that break, and even if it breaks, we want to see it, retest this red in the middle here and then bounce back. Or if not, we want to see it come down to retest this blue. But as it stands on the weekly time frame with this trend lines, with this moving averages, we can say that, we can see that Bitcoin is actually in an uptrend. No doubt about it. Guys, don't follow the noise in the news. Don't follow the noise in the news. Look at the charts. If the chart tells you that this is bullish, then say it is bullish. Don't attach any sentiment there. Don't feel like, okay, just behave the way the charts want you to behave. If the chart tells you, okay, we are still in an uptrend, regardless, what is going on in the lower time frame. Because when you go to the lower time frame, like let's say, go to 30 minutes, or, you're gonna see that this dip is like Bitcoin is, going to zero. You can see the 4 hours time frame, the 8-hour time frame. When you start going to the higher time frame, you now start seeing, the power of longer time frame. You can see that Bitcoin, even though the market is making noise, so many people are making noise, you can see that Bitcoin is within this range, and it's not that long that Bitcoin break that range. You can see here in this area, this is the range that Bitcoin have been moving, and it's not that long that Bitcoin break that I'm bad enjoying this line here. But let me try to see if I can put a trend line there so we can see the range that Bitcoin was. This is the range, and right now Bitcoin is trading below that range. And where we are expecting the price is something I think most of you, can bear with me that it's not easy. But there's something I want to show you guys also, which is I brought this indicator here. Let me see if I can, pull it. Okay, let me see if I can pull this. Yeah, this is the value, the fixed range volume profile. With the fixed range volume profile, I can see exactly, looking at support and resistance, where the price is and where we might expect Bitcoin to go. And now you can see here that looking at the fixed volume profile, Bitcoin is out of range. Bitcoin is out of. We want to see Bitcoin get into this level here, this zone, this this value, this area of interest, this zone here. I call it area of interest. The value of control, the point of control. This is the area where we want to see Bitcoin, and this area Bitcoin have been trading inside. Which you can see immediately. I plot this indicator here, this volume profile. It gave us exactly different areas, support and resistance, and we saw that Bitcoin was moving in between, and you could have took advantage of this move. This is the 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. If you now go to the 4 this is the 8-hour time frame. If you go to the 4 hours time frame, you're going to see that these candles represent a huge move, like up and down. Let me look at the percentage. If we look up and down, if let's say you are buying and selling, if it goes up, you sell, you buy. That's a 6%. So you can be making 6% each time the price goes up and down, right? So these indicators also gives me understanding as to where the market is at and where I should expect the market to go towards. Now you can see here that there's an area where if I just go to, let me go to my indicator here so I can bring this value profile indicator so you guys can see also what is going on with this project with Bitcoin. So let me see if I can get the value profile, the visible range profile. Yeah, this is it, the visible range profile. I think, okay, say I have to, let me get this from another indicator, from another Yeah, let me get it from the moving average. I think I have it. Save and reload. I think I have it on this indicator. Yeah, it's taking time to load. Yeah, okay, now I am here. I think I'm still on the alpha trend indicator. Let me see if I got it here. I'm still on the alpha trend indicator. Let me just try to see if I can get back to moving average. Let me see, guys. I mean, I want to take time so I can show you guys this. Okay, yeah, I'm here. I think I'm here, the moving average indicator. So let me bring in this. I don't know why I'm not able to get this. Okay, not moving average. This is actually not what I'm trying to get. Okay, the EMA crossover. I think this is what I'm trying to find here, so I can show you guys, on a larger like on a larger time frame, what we might expect here with Bitcoin. So this is the value area where I'm talking about. On the daily time frame, if say I go to Bitcoin, let me try to see if say I can take out all these indicators here. Let me take out the alpha trend. Let me take out, okay, I've taken out the alpha trend. So let me now get it bigger so you can see. You can see here, guys, this is the value area. And this value area, an area of interest, as I mentioned to you guys. You can see I plot this. I've already marked these different zones where I want to see Bitcoin get to. And looking at where we are right now with Bitcoin, you can see here that Bitcoin is this range at the range that we might expect Bitcoin to go to. You can see 28,223. We already see Bitcoin go towards that area today, and the next zone is gonna be this zone here below. That's 27,727. 27 cent. So keep these areas in mind, because if say we see Bitcoin going down to the keep going downward, then we're gonna see other altcoins go to the downside as well. The reason why I'm stressing on this, on the chart, like to show you guys different instances or different price action, is that I want you guys to understand that no matter what, or no matter how good your project is, if Bitcoin doesn't really give you the signal that the market is in an uptrend, then your project might not really do well. You can see a short-term pump, right? But it wouldn't be that sustainable, because everything will be squeezed back into Bitcoin, and you don't want to see your coins squeezed back into Bitcoin. The whales are going to dump it on you, because the whales are buying these coins to actually accumulate more, to buy, to accumulate, to buy more Bitcoin. That's the essence of what they are doing. They want to get more buying power to buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price. So if say you guys have any coin that you want me to check or to look at right now, comment below the coin that you want me to look at right now. If not, I think this is all for today. If say you have any coin, then you let me know. But guys, before we go, why you comment your coin that you want me to check at right now, I want to show you guys that I have now the BETONG NFT. This NFT is how I'm gonna go about, like, I'm gonna create lots of utility for this NFT. And those of you who really wanna get hold of me, you wanna be part of my community, this is how you get to my community right now. Like, if you want one-on-one on me, I'm gonna one-on-one with me, you can buy either of my NFT and you're gonna get access to me. I'm gonna come up with different utility for this NFT. I'm gonna create events. We're gonna have different like live sessions, with different opportunities for you guys who are gonna be holding my NFT. So this is good news. It's Bitcoin NFT. And I have lots of collections that I'm gonna bring on board as days goes by. But I just want you guys to know that this is already here. The BETONG NFT is here, and this is a way to promote what I'm doing, to keep building my community, to keep reaching out to more people out there. So if say you believe in what I'm doing and you want to be part of my community, you are already part of my community, but you just want to appreciate what I'm doing, then the least you can do is go and buy this. And even if you're in part of my community, if you want to participate in my programs, then you holding my NFT is gonna be an added advantage to you. But guys, let me know if say you have any coins that you want me to look at right now. If say you don't have any coin that you want me to look at right now, then I'm gonna call it a go for today. But this has been a ride. Like, the market is really a boring market at this point in time. And if say we don't protect the crypto that we have, or the the money that we have right now, then maybe if the bull market comes, you might not be there, with enough capital to get into the market and enjoy the profit. So that's why I want to keep doing this with you guys, for you guys. So make sure you are subscribed to this platform. Make sure you join my community. The links are found below this video. I am here 24/7 to help you guys, for us to work together and build, our portfolio, build our coins in a way that when the bull market comes, we are going to know that this is the right time to get in, buy, take out profit. You have seen, I've shown you guys different ways in which I go about, looking at the price of Bitcoin, and this helps me to buy other altcoins. I want to be in front of the market because I've missed out a lot, guys. I've missed out a lot. And this time around, I don't want to miss out, and I don't want you guys to miss out as well. So those of you who are not connected with me on Telegram, on Instagram, on Facebook, TikTok, go to these platforms. My name there is BETONG, so search me and you're gonna get me on those platforms. I see you guys watching, but you don't have any coins for me to look at right now. So in that case, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.